and welcome to today's tutorial on how to basket weave on inline skates. I love basket weave because it's a lot easier than it looks, and so it's a really fun one for beginners to learn. It also opens up your world of freestyle skating or slalom skating with cones. Okay, so let's begin. We're gonna start without the cones, and first you need to learn how to do lemon drops. So starting in the shape of a V, open and close. Bend your knees open, close feet together. Also practice skating with your feet in a perfectly straight line. Careful not to trip yourself like that. Imagine a cone in between your heel and your toe. This is also kind of just a fun trick to snake around like that too. So for the basket weave, it's the same foundation as the lemon drop. Open and close. But when you close, instead of bringing your feet together, you're gonna put one foot in front of the other like we just practiced. So bend and open, foot in front. Bend and open, foot in front. Open, right foot, open, left foot. Open, right foot, open, left foot. Now it's time to add the cones. The cones that I have here, a friend gave to me. He got them from Home Depot. I'm not sure their specific design. You can also buy slalom cones, which are a lot of fun just to have, or just use anything as a marker. You could use a pine cone. One of my favorite slalom sessions was with pine cones. I'll have to find that clip. The distance between the cones varies depending on what you want to do. I kind of place them wherever I want. Standard placement between the cones is 80 centimeters and 20 cones. Competitive slalom, go as little as 50 centimeters in between each cone. The wider apart the cones are, the easier it is to maneuver through. And you can either do what I did and just kind of eyeball it, wing it, or pro tip, I have my measuring tape pre-measured at 80 centimeters, so we can see kind of how good I did. And then you're gonna take a piece of chalk and you'll put a dot. Let's measure here. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is no joke. You saw me, I eyeballed this. 80 centimeters is where we want that cone. I'm very proud of myself right now. So you'll just go down the line. This is a little bit more tedious. This is really if you really want to get into it. I wasn't as good with that one. Another good thing about this method is with the chalk on the ground, you see where the cones go. So if a cone goes flying over, you still have a marker on the ground. With that said too, you can just use chalk as your marker. The standard is about 20 cones. I'm gonna set up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're gonna do our basket weave. But first, lemon drops. That'll help us get warmed up. Remember the basic steps, so open and close lemon drops. If this feels too tight, you can go every other cone, because like I said, the wider the distance is, the easier it is to get through. Once your lemon drops are feeling super comfy, open, close, it's time for the basket weave.
I'm the cool kid from the pocket. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm but too plenty. Drop.
Open right foot forward, open left foot forward, open right foot forward, open. You want to stay loose and relax. Focus on having a flowy, nice movement, like you're dancing.
Getting ready for the weekend.
So I'm gonna add more cones.
Sure, I got dough, but don't need it, 'cause all I want is your healing.
Okay, everybody, remember, practice is the best teacher. So it's time for you to go lace up and practice. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.